The cake method will allow you to find LCM and GCF at the same time. Let me show you. Let's find the LCM and GCF of 24 and 36, and at the end of this video you're going to see how this ends up looking like a cake. So the first factor that I can think of that can go into 24 and 36 is the number 2, because both of these numbers are even, and all even numbers are divisible by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. We now have the second layer to our cake. 12 and 18 are both even, still we can divide by 2. So we'll put the 2 on the outside, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. We are now on the third layer of this cake, but we cannot divide by 2 because 9 is not even. We can divide by 3 though. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. This will be our last layer because 2 and 3 are both prime numbers and they don't share any other factor besides 1. So we're going to use these remaining numbers on the outside to find the LCM and GCF. The GCF, or greatest common factor, can be found by multiplying the numbers on the outside of this cake, which I wrote in red. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. And the LCM, or least common multiple, can be found by multiplying all of those numbers on the outside. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 is 72. Let's bring you in closer to this cake that we created. And this cake method can be used for 2 or more numbers.